These are the top 5 best CPA websites, and most of them actually have their own apps available in their respective app stores. This means you can often access them on your mobile device, so let's get into it. The very first one is called TapMob. I've heard great things about this one, with many saying it works really well. TapMob is an invite-only app, meaning you can just sign up and get accepted immediately. You need a referral code, and they are also pretty strict, but once you do get accepted and have an account, the payouts are reportedly very good. From what I understand, if you go to their offer section, you'll see a lot of different offers. For example, you might get a $3 for every Cash App offer, or 5, 3, or 6, $550 for others. Essentially, you take an offer, like one that says $3 per conversion, email submit, you then copy your personal custom link and promote it however you choose. When someone enters their email, you get that $3 conversion. Once you reach $100, you can go to your payment section and click on Request Payment and cash out your money. I've seen reports of people making a pretty decent amount of money with TapMob. Coming in at number 4 is The Plug. This is primarily a website, but they also have an app for iPhone users. Unfortunately, it's not available for Android, so if you're an Android user, you won't be able to access the app. But you can always access the website. I've heard that The Plug is quite similar to TapMob. All you have to do is promote a link, which is usually for some kind of app. When someone downloads that app, you get a small commission, typically around $1 or $2, depending on the app. This is also invite only, meaning you have to register for an account and then get approved by their team before you can start promoting. The third one is called CPA Grip. This is a website and they also have an app, so you can access CPA Grip on various devices. It's very similar to TapMob. If you go and click on Offer Tools and My Offer, you can see that you can promote service, and the payout is generally a bit lower than TapMob's, but you can get 50 cents or $1.15 or a few cents when someone clicks on your link and completes specific actions. So CPA Grip is the third CPA website on our list. Now this fourth website is actually quite small and relatively unknown. It's called Tapco. It's reportedly very similar to TapMob. Essentially, it's invite only, and you have to sign up and get approved by one of their team member. From what I've seen, they have their app available on the Google Play Store and also on the iPhone. It only has 500 plus downloads, which suggests that it might be quite difficult to get in. However, they promote offers in a very similar way with reported payouts of $280, $2, and some even $3. You essentially promote your custom link for an offer, like an email, making it very much like TapMob, just under the name Tapco. The fifth and final one is called Karma with a V. This is essentially just like TapMob, but with a different name and different apps to promote. From what I understand, it's pretty much the exact same setup where you get a custom link, promote the app, and then someone downloads it. You get a conversion. It's quite similar to The Plug. You could say it's a combination of The Plug and TapMob, branded as Karma. The payout structure, also known, is very similar to TapMob's, showing today's revenue and performance metric. This is also an invite-only platform requiring approval before you can start using it. So there you have it, the 5 best CPA websites for you to explore.